What's up, guys? Welcome to the shop. I'm going to keep working on my Tundra today. Going to be working outside so that I've got a little bit more space and some better light because that other side of my garage is really dark. It's a nice day out and I don't have many of those left before it's full-blown winter here. First, I'm going to install my rock slider running boards and see how much time I've got after that and what else I can get installed. So, let's get to work. That rock slider is on, but all the bolts are still loose. There were a few bolts that were so short I couldn't even get them started. Maybe I need longer bolts, but I'm going to get the other side caught up to this point so I can look at all the bolts, and if I need to get longer bolts, I'll know what I need for the rest of the project. It's the next day. I got those rock sliders completely buttoned up and tight last night. I didn't film it because I was just under the truck tightening those bolts for a long time. Some of those bolts were really limited access, almost impossible to get to, and I was losing my mind under there trying to get some of them tight. Today I'm getting my skid plates installed. I'm still working outside today and the weather's not looking so great, so I'm in a bit of a rush. Let's get to work. The factory plastic skid plate versus the CBI aluminum skid plates that I'm about to install. Big difference. after a serious amount of time futzing around trying to figure out why things weren't working right, they gave me the wrong rear skid plate, and this will not work. The middle skid plate comes back and lines up with the front of this one. The front of this one seems to mount up just fine. My problem lies here. This is my rock slider coming in, and there is no mounting point for a carriage bolt here. My mounting point is back here at this hole, so something is completely wrong about this bracket. The weather's holding out for now, and I want to keep working, so I'm going to go ahead and install my lower control arm skids and make sure I don't run into any problems with those. I had to try a few times to get everything where it was supposed to be on those lower control arm skids. Every side has 2 different bolt lengths and 2 different spacer lengths. It took some trial and error to get the right bolt and spacer in all 3 holes. I'm going to talk to CBI tomorrow, let them know that I've got the wrong rear skid plate. I'm sure they'll be cool about it. When I have what I need, it'll only take me a few minutes to put a done stamp on these skid plates and move forward. One thing I did want to show you guys, when I mounted the rock sliders, I decided to leave that packaging on until I got them on, so I couldn't scratch them. But when I took the packaging off, kind of hard to see, but the CBI logo on the driver's side of my truck is upside down. It faces the correct way on the other side. That piece is a parallelogram, so it fits both directions. You got to choose which way to weld it in. So unfortunately, that logo is upside down. It's honestly something nobody else would notice or care about. It bothers me right now, but it probably won't bother me in a month when I forget about it. I'm going to start thinking about what I got to do to install my front and rear bumpers. I think those are going to be pretty big projects. And I'm going to try and hop on my dirt bike, get a ride. I think I got like an hour of light left, so going to go get out in the mountains. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.